I'm Sally Symes and I write and design children's books from a shed at the bottom of my garden. I had the great pleasure of being part of the team that created this rather dreamy book, 5-minute, really true stories for bedtime. All 30 of our really true stories are about sleep and nighttime and magical stuff that will truly fascinate and entrance not only curious 4 to 8-year-olds, but their parents too. As a designer and art director, I got to choose what it looked like and work with the 10 awesome illustrators. We had 4 writers work on the book: Jackie, Jen, Rachel and me. I wrote 9 of the stories. One of my favourite stories is from Remarkable Hibernators, which was illustrated by the extraordinary Annalee Bray. Meet the North American wood frog. Winters are so cold where these little hoppers come from that their blood actually freezes and their hearts stop. They turn into frogsicles for at least 2 to 3 months before defrosting in the spring sunshine and then hopping off to find a mate. And the teamwork continues, for all the facts in this book have been checked and verified by Britannica's amazing bunch of boffins. And if you can't snuggle down with a physical copy of this book, how about getting the audio book? The narrator is absolutely fabulous. It's Joanna Lumley.